NextEra's Clearwater wind project features 750 megawatts of new wind generation in eastern Montana. A new 345 kilovolt transmission line was commissioned to connect the project to the grid at an existing substation. Crux's scope included drilling and installing approximately 450 helical anchors and 2 grouted anchors. The anchors were installed at 66 structure locations to support tubular steel poles. Helical shafts ranged in diameter from 1 3/4 inches to 2 1/4 inches and were installed to depths of between 10 and 30 feet. Extensive testing was completed, including performance testing, proof testing, and 8-hour extended creep testing. 1 drill rig was employed for helical installation, and a rough terrain drill was mobilized for grouted anchor installation. All locations allowed for conventional access and minimal rock was encountered. Specific project challenges included working in the harsh temperatures of a Montana winter. Crux worked alongside multiple Quanta sister companies, including Flare Construction, who performed clearing activities, and Brink Constructors, who performed the overhead scope. Crews consistently performed helical installations at a faster than specified rate, and the project was completed successfully.